Hello friends, welcome to my channel Media Creation Club with the latest updates. In this video I am going to show you how we can fill up the text form on the Google AdSense. As we know, every YouTuber got the notification on the dashboard on the Google AdSense account that fill up the text form and then give the text information to the Google AdSense. So if we didn't provide the text information until the 31st May, Google have rights to cut our monthly revenue 24 to 30%. Every month they can cut the 24 to 30% from our revenue. So if we provide already our tax information, so they just cut from the US revenue. So actually everyone is thinking how we are going to fill up this form and then why we need to fill up this form. For the simple, I just explained, if we didn't fill up this form, our revenue from all over the world, they are going to cut from that revenue 24 to 30%. For example, you are earning the 1000 US dollar to all over the world views, and then if you didn't fill up this form, they have rights to cut from that revenue 24 to 30%. If you fill up already this form, so they just have rights to cut from the US revenue. For example, you got the US revenue $100, so they just cut from the US revenue is 24 to 30%, mean 24 to 30 US dollar from that revenue. So hope you got that point. So I'm going to show you in this video how we are going to fill up this form, and then step by step I'm going to show you how we are going to put up the details, everything. So let's go to the our topic and then continue. Okay friends, so now we are in the computer screen. As you can see, this one is email from the YouTube, and then even we open the dashboard, also you can see the important notification from the YouTube also. You can see here, even we open the Google AdSense account, you can see here the manage text information. If we start this one on the dashboard, just click the get started. Once we click the get started, you can see the demonstration video how you are going to fill up the text form. You can watch the YouTube video and then follow the same steps also can. So I'm going to show you how we can fill up the text form. Just clicking the go to the Google AdSense account, and then you can see here the top notification. Just click the manage text information, just click that one. Once we click that one, now you can see here the notification add text information. So we just click the add text information. Once we click ready, we click that one, the AdSense will ask you the confirmation about your email. So confirm your emails belongs to your channel and then AdSense. So which one is email you are using for the AdSense, you confirm and then put your password and then click the next. Once you already sign an account, here is asking your account is individual or business. So of course my account is individual. I'm just selecting the individual. If you have business account, you select the down one. So I select my individual account. Then here is asking, are you a citizen residence of US? So of course I am not the citizen of US. I select the no. So this one is the most important thing. You need to check if you have individual account, you select the top one, this one. If you have business account, you select the down one. So I am selecting the 8BEN. This one is for the individual account. So we select the 8BEN, W8BEN form. So we select that one. Text identity. So my name is already appear. Now we select our country of citizenship. So I'm belongs to Pakistan, country Pakistan, and then this one is the foreign TIN, foreign TIN. So many people confuse here this one is for what. So and then my identity also verified on the Pakistani identity. So here we put the our CNIC detail. So here we put our CNIC detail. If you are Indian, you can use here the PAN card ID digits. Then I put CNIC digits without a space, without any symbol. So just continue put the CNIC number. After that you select the next. You leave this one US if you have the US. Then select next. So as you can see here, the now required the address. So my address is required in the Malaysia because my channel verified in the Malaysia and Malaysian address. So I'm going to put the Malaysian address. If your channel is verified and your which country you are living, you need to put the same address before the AdSense. You put the make the AdSense account when you monetize your channel, and then make the AdSense account. You need to put the same address on that line. So I'm going to put the same address. Then you select the mailing address is the same as permanent residence address. Just select the next. So now you need to put here the tax treaty country. So I am living in the Malaysia because I need to provide if this Malaysia is tax treaty with US or no. So I search in the Google, is Malaysia tax treaty with the US. The Google showing the US and Malaysia do not currently have a tax treaty in place. So I need to select the no. If you are in the Pakistan, you need to select yes. So I am going to select no because the Malaysia is the not treaty with the US. So I just select no. Click the next. Once I click ready the next, you can see here the form. I already filled up the form, so this one is the preview of my form. Then you confirm this one, check, then select the next. Then this one is the certification, your signature. So in the signature you need to write your complete name. As per your ID. Then here is confirming yes, I am the person, listen the signature, and then the on behalf. So I just select the yes, then select next. So you select no, and then checkbox this one, and then one is the most important. If you haven't received the payment from the Google AdSense, you select the top one. If you already received the payment from the Google, you need to select the down one. So I already received the payments always from the Google, so I just select the down one, then select the check box, then submit. Once we approved already, you can see here the written approved, and then if we check the email, you can see here the Google payment tax information has approved. So this one is the all procedure in the Malaysia about the tax information form. So I just fill up this form as I know. Then if we are in the Malaysia, we need to fill up for file like that. If you are in the different country is different treaty tax forms, so you need to check with your country if your country is treaty tax with the US or no. So I just search in the Google, the Malaysia is tax treaty not with the US, so I just paying my all the income 30% to the YouTube. So this one is the old procedure. We already give the all our tax information to the Google AdSense. Hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video with the new updates.